blok kali itu.
Ini sport ya.
Idan nih kalau islah kita bangin pensai baparo eke ikadau bangi persa mo ngingim persa development yo don ngi persu bakala ngim persa ya eke palong sabar jo kelintia nadu ka laitrik wagos arjar arkulai the very first day kabangitep pa kandon ke inspection hangni ban alot di petrol pump na kaliang jongi ngiladap tho su veterinary minister ban ngitep ba ka di jaka jo veterinary ni tho su minister jongka veterinary kalong bangin persa kalong ba balai bahapan ai jaka kerpang ya ubreu nabar hapo ka jaka jongi mi ketika sik silul area ka bangin melak ban laj ya ban sutu ka baningkong stan ni kata bat mentangi sutu ba kat kum balong boros kata kemkalan competition act mo kalakran sai balada dan kami akan nunggu jaka ka sorkar ka dan kami akan nunggu jaka kasih ka compensation bat kasong auto ubreu wat jaka seno larau de usa apa operslong ula ka sorkar klasi competition utiet chawes kasih utiet chagaruhel utiet sundo ka sorkar kam dan jiktu kala kata hadian kata ka basusi kalong ba kini kitrai ki persang banyalam bakala ya kasur jumpai ba namar balai hadian mingla persa kala dong inspection bat hadian kat kum mengipet naduk menek ya keren si keren ya kata court order keren ya court order rai ngini umka banyak ilat nak court bat ngin buram hiru mereka court order habaka pasi ke judgment haka santrik benai ba arjar arpusau kala dismiss nan ya ke case bat hangni kalong ba is granted to the petitioner to hand over the vacant position to the defense authority kamu tu hapan penpai no siaka jaka support defense kamu lesi ta kalis kala kut nek ngimtip ngimtuklar kata lada dai baka diga jaka jong sarkar ka kut kala di bangkersai bahwa hapan penpai to jaka support ka government of Meghalaya ketika ta ka stan ka jongi ka banadu ni kong but hadian kini ki barkhoj kat kum kini court order markam ka court order ka khamtho ba un hapan ai ka jaka sa ka sarkar kan ai jaka ku muipat but ke ka bangilingo na kaliang jongi hadian bengi ya ka agreement ka balasoi daka urban affairs department kani ka agreement ka balasoi daka sarkar Meghalaya ka urban affairs department lalong ma ai ba yune ubreo ya kani ka jaka ka perthai ka juk yu mata banyo jaka sitingka si square feet sistem ka jaka hang tai lesi kala benetang arjar ni arjar duna hang ni ki ahdok hatlai hajar sispa parpoi square feet hakador sitingka si square feet sistem ka bomot uni usio tang hatlai hajar sispa parpoi tingka sistem plus ka palingo akari ka MOU ka baya sign ko urban affairs bat uni imat kilari bisa penbi daka boboram ki officer ki badan hangni nai so nomor hangni la tho now thereafter a permanent a heritable and a transferable right of the use of the occupancy of the said land is hereby granted through leases kamu muat kani ka jaka kalong permanent you guys atho sai te hangni kalong permanent ula ban transfer bat ula ban her poteng pi kini ke ba ngisung thu sai baki tagi bor sarkar le si kim khin snap ki pardo ki prasnam ki jongi bat ka ar kalong umba kalau penbiet yang ni kalong ba nadu meneng ya kan petrol pump issue denum dai ya kan me tak setem of petrol pump henrai kat kum ka agreement om dai tang bal ailat ban set up ka petrol pump hang ni kani ka agreement joka urban affairs haka point ke nomor khatlai la tho sai ba ula ban bu si restoran ka shopping complex car wash, kadhaba, bat kiwe. Mut is purely business. Hapdeng jung uni ubri unabar, bat ki officer jongka urban affairs department. Den nak tak tahu ngi persya. Hi kumnu ulong try du ni. Bat kapalingo kolong ba hakapoy nomor hat nyo. Ki mention ni kata land acquisition act na hat kanai spa prapu sa. Ngalingo beti ki officer le si kim pulekot. Kim tip ba kata land acquisition act ladaban amen hu arjar khatlai katkum ka amendment joka land acquisition act kala keren sai ha u arjar khatlai kalong ba provided also that no land shall be transferred by way of acquisition in the Shilil area mut kala keren sai ni bangin namla ban transfer ya ka jaka Syaki wei pat ki bamdai ki pardo prasnam ki bamdai ki trai muluk Pingi kuat bansai kan kata ka urban affairs. Haduk matang ngim tuklar kata ka flyover. Ngim tuklar kata ka way ke kam ka bini ka roi ka par. Kalong ba ka peningkong, kalong la IT ba kithok kan kali slai pos nam. Rei ladap thok sai de. Ba ka de ka permanent ka jungu. Menum dan syuk menu balapan kendang. Pi la ailat yu sebenarnya skiwi jadi business. Ka membuat hang ni ka purpose ka la fail. Mah ka par kalong balai ngi sngokya kalong ba hapo opar slong jungi ngai ki rang ba snong ki kubur ba nga. Ki bobun hang ni ki nong song snong ko opar slong ki di nong rep ki nong ri jingri. Ngi don kam me ka ni ka jaka. Lara ka sorkar ka sokya hadu kata ta pan ai berle kata ki set up ti dah bagi ke beli gambu ka wi fit meal plan nang ni bagi nong rap ki ni jing mutoi ki wandi ki marep ki jongki bat ka ju kupor bagi nong ri jing ru ki ni jing mutoi kan ma haja kam le thiet kita ki jing bam sniang jing bam mesi nadu no po go ti thiet no po yodo hadu mata ka sorkar kam pat don fit meal plan hapo ka jela jong telara ka don ka jaka hang ni po government land kan set up di kini kan panora ya kata karoi keparan ya kata development ya ki pardo ik persnam jungi rimta set up petrol pom set up daba mut ki jungi ki sulung teng dong bela ya ban ker saya kata bat nya ban yang seisian balai si tingka si square feet si snam ka sorkar ka aiwai para aiwai ki babun kena samlang ni kam kam khat lai hajar dong la mesti ni ki kasih nai pi long ya ban so thu kata ka poin ba horket orang ni no mailat ba ka sorkar kan thom da ka bor ani ban le da ka nu mentangi mi tangat ni ngin sami di hajar ngut berpau hajar ngut lana kini ki petrol pom kita meniak cekmat nang ni denem long kat balong jakat baja
Siap senang.
Siap
senang.
long we nong ar uni ka hak ni ka cekak ka jungi ngiyang naduk basdang bat nginiat rengkat ru nomor boleh ke supply kata ka senjuk kirang bak senong kalapa ni kini ka cekak nomor boleh ke senjuk kirang bak senong ngiburam ikirang bak senong kidon kam man set up di office kipan cekak ka sorkar kamai pemasuk naik jaka ngipan nak senjuk kirang mak senong yang ban set up ya ka fire service center ni mah fire service office mar bun sian man perlu yang sini iki klau ki babun ni ap nak ni don ka jingja po mukulat tang ap ya ka fire brigade spor lagi ta yang la perlu lut ni don kam ya fire service ndre ka sorkar kale menti kale matla ek teng jing dawa ka bosong hok jing senjuk kirang mak
Kena shibo ni video ibela pat ya kan ka dia kendo akan spot inspection ane kapor ki stakeholders berhad ki member jak senjuk bata kisang gibidan lahang ni nakal yang ka senjuk ni syukwa tang gawe ka clarification berkata clarification kalong we would like to know from the owner since the all existing refill station is located at Anjali Point. And kum kejing sutu ka jongi kalong bakate kalong ka defense land kum batai di officer of urban affairs. So we would like to know whether any renewal has been done from the defense department regarding that land. What is the period? Hakapor ba ka government kapan ya ketua jaka apagi kendo ya kini kita try dai whether katu lease period kena exist ne lease period kala lapse we would like that clarification and we would like to have that documents first before we proceed for any further discussions because that is the genesis of it we would like to clarify first that thing from the Sunjuk whether we allow this or we don't allow this very plot here that we will decide in the second stage of it we would like to first know regarding the old land at Anjali Point where the petrol pump exists whether that lease has crossed the lease period whether any extension was done we would like to clarify we would like to have that clarification first so please the owner clarify
Kan sih. Kan ni nilatik apa mengalih tu nak benukong nilatik apa ke Ministry of Defence kalau agree bahkan transfer ke Arman bagi ya kejung transfer di ketiga Anjali Junction kalau ada transfer nak ke Ministry of Defence siapa Urban Affairs Department.
Okay sir we have got that clarification the Ministry of Defence has handed over so with this owner the refill station we would like to know what is the lease period with them.
Alis piat dun kita kalau ya bawa kilah hadap hana wana sini.
So that is the point. Please note
No,
Please note.
Kami
Please note.
No. Kami nomor bakila akli ende korban ko ang kila akli bakin safe ladang relocate yaki kamot ki akli bakin safe ya kapam. Kamot bakin lada ke transfer no si ka urban ki ginum aja ka kini ki akli on the basis ba lada ki relocate yaki katakin safe ladang relocate ketemu ginum safe adien magile agree on that point dan ni find ka alternate lan yaki ngi alot yaki dan after that ni set take over di kalan naga defense.
Okay, so we would like to know from you, Honor, please share your documents, the least documents with the defense. Before we proceed ahead, we would like that least documents.
You brought the documents.
No, sir.
Yes,
Can I-
yes, all yes.
Actually, this thing that Anjali Patapam, no, it is more than 100 years old. And it is a perpetual lease, you know, like our other...
Is there unrequired perpetual
Yeah,
leave?
yeah. I'm coming, sir.
Okay.
Take your time. So, it is going on, like, just like our Malki or any other lands. You know, it comes for 30 years, then again renewal. That goes on. Now, in the meantime, there was a request that, see, for continuous renewal, this we have to build a flyover here. So we cannot go for that thing. But then it went for a court case in the High Court. So High Court said, look, since the party are for more than 100 years here, why you are going for this confrontation? Because everyday internet problems, sir, you know, we are stuck up for 7-8 hours like that. No? So then they called us in the meeting. Thank you, the High Court judge and committee, chief secretary, so many people. A lot of government people came. Said, are you willing to cooperate? Why you are wanting to extend the lease there? So army said, we don't have any problem. If Meghalaya government can rehabilitate them, then this traffic problem is solved. Otherwise, every day, 9-10 hours, no. Sir, someone going to hospital, someone very terribly sick. From our side, we said, we are ready to cooperate, sir. Anywhere you give us some small plot of land and we will leave it immediately. So this is the whole genesis.
Okay.
Now,
So,
sir,
so
now, sir, one more thing. So from our side, we don't want any. We don't want the public to be inconvenienced. Because public is more important, sir, than any, even myself, more public is important. No. Then entire government, they called us chief secretary, everyone, very important, all the top people, including local people. They said, look, first you must vacate this place because we are facing so much problem, our school going children and so many things. We said, sir, we are willing. We are willing. Only you give us a small piece of land somewhere. Then the army and all this joint meeting. Okay, you also don't create confusion. In the court case, it will run for another 20 years, 30, 40 years. From, suppose it started from district court, then you'll go to high court, then you'll go to Supreme Court. Can the public wait for 10 years, 20 years? So now also the flyover is stopped because of this NOC from our side. This is exchange of land and High Court has given the order. So this entire matter will again go to the High Court. What happened from the government side? We cannot allow that flyover there until unless they start. This is an exchange, no? It's a clear-cut agreement. So from our side, we are willing to cooperate, sir, with the village, everyone. Only we want small help that where will we go, sir? Only that much.